Buongiorno paesani! Allora, let's teach you another Sicilian word. What's the word that I want to teach you today? It's sciogliere. What does sciogliere mean? It means to untie. And in Italian, we also say sciogliere. So there's a word that's similar in Italian and in Sicilian. But you could also use the word sciogliere in a different way. That's when your stomach is not cooperating. You say mi sciugliu stomaco. And in Italian, we say mi è venuta la sciolta. That means when you eat something that doesn't agree with your stomach, and then you get the runs. So you say mi sciugliu stomaco. Ooh. Or you say mi si è sciolta lo stomaco. C'ho la sciolta. That's it for today. Sciogliere, untie in Italian. Sciogliere as well. Have yourselves a beautiful day. I hope you enjoy my videos. And I see that the numbers are rising. We're up to 121 subscribers. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the Italiani di Montreal e Amici YouTube channel to see more of me, more of my adventures, everywhere I go, everything I do. And of course, learn some Siciliano so we can keep the Sicilian language and the culture and our heritage all alive. That's what I do. I aim to please. And in honor of my stepdaughter Marlon's neighbor, Anna. Anna, hi. She likes it when I say, ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.